Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Uknyang jingpang COVID-19 ulas dang ya lenti menta hakathan sa tay lamingi but uni uknyang jingpang ulapoy ha Manipur. Ha Manipur ki don baro prapu arngot ki balangat hakani ki jingpang but naki sanpu arngot ki nongpang ki day na Impal West District arpuingon na Impal East District sawngot na Bishnupur arngot na Thobal arngot pat na Tengnaupal but uwaypat na Kakching District. Menta kasila don arpun raingot ki bedang yo thama ya kani ki jingpang bakantop ya arpu arngot na Impal West ringot na Impal East but waypat na Thobal District uknyang COVID-19 ula yo bandrung ha Manipur ha ka khandai terik mentau banai ha ka bala don kawai ki samla ka badang arpulais nem karta ka bala yo ya kani ki jingpang u Director of Health Services ka Manipur u Dr. Chambu Gonmei ula kentu ikipajba bagi deban bod ia ki kondon ki bajule hakapor bajur ka jingpang COVID. Ulat ka Manipur u Ajay Kumar Bhala ula lumjialang Haraj Bhavan ban yakran yakani bad yakani ka jialang lapanya do Chief Secretary u Prashant Kumar Singh ha ringkat ka jia don lang ki Dr. Rongba na kani ka jela.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.